Hey, how are you? In this video, we will be talk about top 10 Korean movies to watch in 2022. Number 10, Spring Day, whose song become once a powerful determined in a criminal employer. After 8 years, he is released from prison and faces his circle of relatives. His younger brother, Jong Sung, is the troublemaker of the own family, whose son's daughter, Yoon Ok, and his son, Dong Hyok, are ashamed of him. Meanwhile, whose Sung should know think of a brand new business plan which requires cash. For this, he plans to acquire condolence money from guests at his father's funeral. Things don't cross as smoothly as Woo Sung plans. Two rival gangs arrive on the funeral on the same time. Number 9, The Roundup 2022, followed by Moo Seok-do, who heads to a foreign country to extradite a suspect. However, he discovers additional murder cases and learns about a killer who had committed crimes against tourists for many years. You feeling it? We have to get this guy. 4 years after the events of Gary Bong District Roundup Operation, Gyeongcheon Police's Major Crimes Unit is given a mission to repatriate a fugitive who fled to Vietnam. Beast Cop Moo Seok-do and Captain Jeon Il-man intuitively realize that there's something wrong with the suspect's willingness to turn himself in and uncover crimes committed by a terrifying killer named Kang Hae-sang. Mo and his unit begin their investigation across two countries and follow the bloody breadcrumbs left behind by Kang. No borders in catching the bad. Another exciting and tension-filled roundup. Number 8, Wolves 2022, inspired by true events. When a young social recluse stumbles onto a series of unsolved cold cases, he finds himself pulled deeper into society's dark underside and must face his own demons to learn the truth. Number 7, Anchor 2022. Sarah Chan Woo-hee is a famous anchor on a broadcasting station. 5 minutes before her news broadcasts is to go live, she receives a phone call. The caller, Miss Soo, tells Sarah, "I am going to be killed by someone. Please cover the story of my death." Sarah assumes the call is a prank, but she still can't stop thinking about it. Sarah's mother, Sojung Lee Hee-young, advises her to uncover Miss Soo's story. Sarah visits Miss Soo's home and discover the dead bodies of Misu and her daughter. Since then, Sarah is unable to stop thinking about Misu's dead body. Sarah then faces Misu's psychiatrist In-ho Shin Ha-kyun. Number 6, Hunt 2022. After President Park's murder in 1980, North Korea sends an opportunity for future invasion and sends one of its spies, Park Byung-ho and Kim Jong-do, to senior security officers are tasked with the hunting down the infiltrator. Number 5, Toxic 2022. Toxic focuses on the humidifier disinfectant incident where a tragedy in South Korea 11 years ago, which is really not that long ago, resulted in the death of mothers, women and children due to lung damage caused by a disinfectant product being used in humidifiers. Number 4, Stellar, A Magical Ride 2022, a comic and heartwarming drama about a man who gradually comes to terms with his late father while on the run in his father's wacky beat-up car. Stellar, young Bai, an ace in the car loan industry, is put in a tough spot when his friend Dong-shik disappears with a supercar which he took on consignment. Not only that, a local gang starts coming after young Bai, claiming that they put their drugs in the missing car. After hearing of his father's death and impending inheritance, he attends the funeral only to find his father's beat-up Stellar, which he used to drive as a taxi. Young Bai remembered it as a big and fancy luxury sedan, but now he can barely open its door. Still, he drives it away as he looks for whereabouts of his friend. Also, Stellar barely runs at times. When he is being chased, it will run like a sports car, allowing young Bai to escape unscathed. As he squabbles with Stellar, he recollects memories of his father little by little and starts to understand his father's true intentions that he never put into words and grow from a son to a father himself. Number 3. Yaksha Ruthless Operations 2022. Yaksha Ruthless Operations is an action film that depicts a close battle between the NIS's secret operation Black Ops team led by their leader called Yaksha in Shenyang, China, the biggest battleground for spies, a special prosecutor and agents from various intelligence agencies. Number 2. Gong Jeja Gongi Ta Jeja 2022. University freshman Jai Gu joins the Gongi club with his unrequited love Sohee. At first, he only wanted to look good to Sohee, but then Jai Gu gradually fell in love with Gongi's charm, so he gradually opens her heart to Jai Gu, and the two set off for Jecheon, North Changkyong, in search of a Gongi Rickles master. Jai Gu met Chang Su, a Rickles Gongi master who is also called half air, half sound, passed the test confidently. After becoming a disciple of Chang Su and becoming a master of Gongi, he encounters Gongi masters scattered all over the country. Number 1. Great Contract Paju Book City 2022. During the pre-democracy era, when publications were under oppression, some people dreamed of a city for books and some architects came along to dream together. Then they created an one and only ecological city for books in an abandoned swamp in the military border of Paju.